In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete Google Chrome cookies. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open and that you can see the main Chrome window before moving on. This process starts from the browser itself, so you do not need to visit any website first unless you are already in Chrome and ready to continue. Next, look to the upper right corner of the Chrome window and find the three-dot menu. This is the main menu button for Chrome. Click on those three dots to open the drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to many browser settings and tools, including the option you need for clearing browsing information. Once the menu opens, select the option to delete browsing data. When the browsing data window appears, look for the choices that let you decide what kind of information you want to remove. Here, make sure cookies are selected. This is the important part because cookies are the stored bits of site data that Chrome keeps to remember things like sign-ins, preferences, and activity on websites. If there are multiple checkboxes in that window, pay close attention so you only choose what you want to delete. If your goal is specifically to remove cookies, make sure that option is checked before continuing. You may also see a time range setting, which affects how much cookie data is removed. Choose the option that best matches what you want to clear. That is the full process. Open Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, choose Delete Browsing Data, and select Cookies. That covers everything you need to know.